I don't want to get caught by humans. I wish all humans will disappear. I just want to swim freely in the ocean, free as a kite. All the big fish and sea mammals, they should all disappear as well, so I can freely swim in the ocean. Was I mistakenly born? When I realized that I'm nothing but a little dot in the universe, and so is everybody else, I became happy. Life is life. Life goes on. Death is part of life. It's just a memory. Don't work hard to make good ramen. Don't work hard to make good ramen.